Hello everyone, this is your English tutor. Today I'm back with another brand new topic today. I hope this session will help you and enrich your communication. Come on, let's be back to the class now. My dear children, today you will be able to know positive sentence and negative sentence. We are going to know how to change a positive sentence into negative sentence and how to change the negative sentence into positive sentence. This is what I will be covering up in this session. Come on, let's be back to the class now. A positive sentence appears without any negative words. For example, I know to bake a cake. Do you find any negative word in the sentence? Exactly no. What are all the negative words, my dear children? Like no, not, none. These are all the negative words. A positive sentence appears and tells us an information without any negative word, which is called a positive sentence. Here the sentence is exactly positive sentence because we find no negative word in the sentence. I know to bake a cake. A negative sentence appears with some negative words. What are all the negative words? Shall we recall and say once again? Negative words are no, not and none. For example, I don't know to bake a cake. Here, what is a negative word, my dear children? Not. Not is a negative word which is appearing in this sentence. So, a negative sentence appears with some negative words. I have no pencil right now. What is a negative word in the second sentence? No. A positive sentence gives us information. It has no negative words. We can change positive sentences into negative sentences by adding not after the helping verbs. My dear children, you just remember one thing when you add not in the sentence to make a positive sentence into negative sentence. When we have one main verb in the sentence, we have to write not with the helping verb. Let me explain you in a few minutes. When we have only one helping verb, when we have helping verb already in the sentence, you just add not in the sentence to make a positive sentence into negative sentence. See the first sentence here. Mother laughed when she saw the pile of dishes. Do you find a negative word in the sentence? No. So exactly the sentence is positive. See the same sentence which is written in negative form. Mother did not laugh when she saw the pile of dishes. Do you find any negative word in the sentence? Exactly. Not is appearing in the second sentence. So what are the differences from these two sentences we come to know? See the first sentence, we have only one main verb, that is action verb, laughed. For this type, you have to write by yourself, you have to find by yourself the helping verb. Here the helping verb is did, because we cannot simply add not with the main verb, otherwise that will be meaningless. Can we say mother not laugh to make a negative sentence? No. When we have main verb, you have to find by yourself the helping verb first and then you add not. This is past form of the main verb. So we have to select the helping verb which is also past. So did is a past helping verb. So loved is past main verb. According to that status, we have found the helping verb should be past. When the past helping verb appears, the next main verb should be present. When you write mother did not laughed, that is wrong. You need not to write like that. So you write mother did not laugh. Can you get me, my dear children? When did comes, the next verb should be present. So the negative form of a sentence is mother did not laugh when she saw the pile of dishes. We can change a negative sentence into positive sentence by removing not from the sentence. For example, the sky is not very cloudy. My dear children, you just have a look here. We have a helping verb in the sentence already. For this type, you just remove only the negative word to make right sense. The sky is not very cloudy. Here we find a negative word in the sentence. To make positive sentence from the negative sentence, we have to simply remove only not. The sky is very cloudy. Now the sentence is positive form. Can you get me, my dear children? Now let's we apply our understanding in the workshop. Change the following declarative sentences from positive to negative. What has been done for you? I love sweets. The same what I explained you just before was coming here. I love sweets. Here, do we have any helping verb like is or am? No. We have only one main verb, action verb. When you find a positive sentence, in this case, we have to find helping verb first according to the status of a main verb, whether it is past or present. And then you have to write not. And then you have to add not. So now this positive sentence turns to negative form like I do not love sweets. You can also write I don't love sweets. The second sentence. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. I hope the sentence will be very easiest one to us, right? Because no confusion, only one helping verb is there. So simply we are going to add a not in the sentence to make a positive sentence into negative form. He is my best friend. How do you change into negative form? He is not my best friend. Come on, cheer up, my dear children. He is not my best friend. The third sentence. The story is very interesting. This is also very easiest one for us, right? Because simply we are going to add only negative word in the sentence after the helping verb. What is a helping verb in the third sentence? Is. Is a helping verb here. The story is very interesting. Now the negative sentence answer is the story is not very interesting. Maybe little interesting. Am I right? Exactly. The story is not very interesting. Now next sentence. You will travel to Delhi tomorrow. You will travel to Delhi tomorrow. What is a negative form? Here we have one helping verb and travel. Action verb is there, which is called main verb. So what is the thing we have to do is you have to add a not when you find a helping verb. You will travel to Delhi tomorrow. Our answer is you will not travel to Delhi tomorrow. So simply we add not after the helping verb. Here the helping verb is will. You will travel to Delhi tomorrow is passive form. You will not travel to Delhi tomorrow is the negative form. The next sentence is she is an intelligent girl. So this is positive sentence. How are we going to change into negative form? Simply we are going to add negative word after the helping verb. What is a helping verb here? Is. Well done. You have found she is an intelligent girl. Now the negative form is she is not an intelligent girl. Well done. The next sentence is the project will be completed this week. Are you getting confusion or you will be able to write the answer? The project will be completed this week. This is a positive form. Now we are going to convert into negative form. What is the helping verb in this sentence, my dear children? Will. So you just add not after the helping verb. The project will not be completed after this week. Now let's we go for next Roman. Change the negative sentences into positive. Before that we changed positive sentences into negative sentences. Now we are going to change negative sentences into positive form. Shall we now? Yes. He is not a good pianist. What has been done for you, my dear children? He is not a good pianist. So what went here? What went well? Not was removed here. He is a good pianist. So this is the negative sentence. From that we changed into positive by removing negative word not. Likewise we are going to do. I do not like horror movies. I do not like horror movies. What has to be removed in the second sentence? Negative word. Will you write when we remove not from the second sentence? Will you write I do like horror movies? Then what else has to be written here? I like horror movies. Well done. You've done a great job. I like horror movies. I hope this session will be very interesting and enlighten your understanding. She is not interested in dance and music. She is not interested in dance and music. What are you going to do, my dear children, in the sentence? We are going to remove only negative word. She is interested in dance and music. The next sentence is he did not know much of the matter. He did not know much of the matter. Will you write by removing not? He did know much of the matter. No, then what else has to be written here? He knows much of the matter. He knows much of the matter. Fifth sentence is there is no reason for hatred amongst people. There is no reason for hatred amongst people. What is a negative word you find in the sentence, my dear children? No. As I said before, no, not, none or the negative words. So simply we are going to remove no. There is reason for hatred amongst people. There is reason for hatred amongst the people. The next sentence is John does not spend much of his time playing. John does not spend much of his time playing. So, what will you remove in this sentence? Will you remove only not? John spends much of his time in playing. John spends much of his time in playing. Next sentence is Grandma Gretel is not interested in cooking. Grandma Gretel is not interested in cooking. I hope this will be very easiest one for us, right? Because we are going to simply remove only a negative word in the sentence. What is a negative word we find in the sentence? Not. Grandma Gretel is interested in cooking. The next sentence is Sheena has not been singing in the choir. Sheena has not been singing in the choir. What will you remove here? Simply we are going to remove a negative word. Not. Sheena has been singing in the choir. Sheena has been singing in the choir. Now we are going to highlight imperative sentence here. You just stick it in the empty boxes for finding imperative sentence. Let me highlight the imperative sentences from the sentences here. Please be quiet. Is this an imperative sentence, my dear children? Yes. Please be quiet. This is a imperative sentence. An imperative sentence which orders or request or suggestion, advice, warning will be added. Those emotions will be added in the type of sentence which is called imperative sentence. Please be quiet. She will be back tomorrow. Is this an imperative sentence? No, because no order emotion is there, no request emotion is there, no warning, no suggestion, no command. The next, third sentence. Will you come with me to the market on Saturday afternoon? It's very easiest one for us to find because the sentence which asks a question. So it's exactly interrogative sentence. This is not imperative sentence. Now fourth one. Don't feed the monkeys. Here someone is ordering us. Don't feed the monkeys. So this sentence is exactly imperative sentence. Let me highlight the sentences here. Meenal is coloring a picture. Meenal is coloring a picture. Is this an imperative sentence? No, because no emotion is there like order, request, warning, advice, suggestion, and the command was not there. The last sentence is drive carefully. Drive carefully. I hope something is warning, right? Drive carefully. So this statement is exactly imperative sentence. So my dear children, here are 6 sentences in the A Roman which was highlighted with the star is called imperative sentences. Others are not imperative sentences. Now let's we go to B Roman. Rewrite these sentences as negative sentences. We have positive sentences. Now we are going to change into negative form. Jyoti has returned. Jyoti has returned. How do you write in negative form? Jyoti has not returned, which means not till now Jyoti was not coming back to the home. Jyoti has not returned. Morgan danced well. How do you write in negative form? Danced. This main verb is past form. And also the verb danced is main verb. So how will you write a helping verb according to the given main verb? Morgan did not dance well. Morgan did not dance well. Here danced, the verb is past form. The same. In the answer sentence, did is a past form. When did comes, the next action verb should be present. Morgan did not dance well. The third sentence, Arun has gone home. Arun has gone home. Arun has not gone home. Wash the clothes. I hope this will be very easiest one to you to write. Wash the clothes. How do you write in negative form? Don't wash the clothes, right? Because that time may be raining or something work to be done in that time. So don't wash the clothes, which was like ordering. Don't wash the clothes. Next, go and play in the park. How will you write a negative form? Don't go and play in the park. When it is a rainy season, when it is raining, our mothers may warn us, don't go and play in the park. Am I right? So, go and play in the park is positive sentence. To that we wrote in negative form, don't go and play in the park. Now, Shaun performed well in his exams. How do we write in negative form? Shaun didn't perform well in his exam. Seventh one, I wake up early every morning. I didn't wake up early every morning. I saw my old schoolmate. I didn't see my old schoolmate. Yes, my dear children, I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Hope this will be very useful to you. Meet you all with another interesting session. Thank you all. Have a great days ahead.